Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Wednesday, and so it is Battle of the Stitches reveal, and I made a little change of plans. My editing skills aren't great, so in the I did the tutorial for this project way ahead of time, and or kind of ahead of time, and so in the tutorial you will hear me say that this is going to be a table runner. That's not what I made. I had a change of plans with everything going on these last few weeks. I did not have a chance to complete the table runner. It was too big of a project to take on this month, and I should have known that. So instead of a table runner, I still used, let me get these out for you. I still used the Caron Cotton Ripple in the colorway of Mauve Glow with the yellows and the pinks and the peaches and the light purple. So I still use this, but instead of a table runner, I made a headscarf. Now, this one does not want to stay tight, but you can pull it. So you could wear it in the back like this, and I just love the colors. You can wear it in the back like this. You can put the tie off to the side if you want and wear it that way. Let's see if I can get this to cooperate. There we go. You can wear it off to the side like this. Or like I said, you can have it where the knot is in the back. And you can make yours as long or as short as you want. This one is 2.5 inches wide. I believe it was 7 rows of the wide double crochet. So 2.5 inches wide. You can make it wider if you want to, and 60 inches long, and you can shorten the length. So you can customize this to any way you want. So if you'll come over to the table, I will show you how I made this. And remember, it's starting off, you'll hear me at the beginning of the tutorial say tablecloth, but I had to switch gears midway and end up making a headscarf. So I hope you like the headscarf. Come on over to the table, and I will show you how this is done. All right, guys, we are at the table, and I've already gotten started on the first part of my table runner. And I went ahead and did all 200 chains. You did not want to see all of that. You guys know how to make a chain, and most of you know how to do a double crochet. So you get your 200 chains, and then I went into the 4th chain from the hook, and I started doing double crochets across, all the way across. And I'm using the Caron Cotton Ripple Cake. It's a number 3, 3 lightweight, and it recommends a 4mm hook, which I am using. It's 100% cotton, 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, 491 yards, and 449 meters. So that's the yarn I'm using, and it's this real pretty color. Look at this. Is this not screaming spring with those colors? And this colorway is called Mauve Glow. So that's what I'm using, and I have double crocheted all the way, and I'm almost to the end. So yarn over, go into your stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for a double crochet. And I am just going to complete this all the way down the end of my row with double crochets. Sorry, my hook is banging on the table. So I'm going to do double crochets all the way to the length of this chain, and I'll be right back when I get to the end. All right, everyone, I made double crochets all the way across the length of my chain, and so now for row 2 with the wide half double crochet, I'm just going to turn my work, and I'm going to do a chain of 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then what you want to do is, we're not going to crochet in the spaces. I've just like the tutorial from last week, from the first week, we're not chaining into the stitches like we normally do. We're going to go in between each double crochet and place our stitch. So the first double crochet goes right here in the space between the first two doubles from the last row, and we're just going to go in between. So this row and continuing is going to be super fast because you're not having to watch for the stitch and make sure you're going into the stitch. You're just going into the chain or into the space in between each double. And so we're going to continue this down the length of this chain, and this is the row that we're going to continue to repeat throughout for the table runner. So you're going to put one double crochet in between each double crochet from the previous row. Okay, see how we're doing that? So I'm going to continue that. When I get to the end of the row, I will chain 3 and start my next row and do the exact same thing. One double crochet in the space in between each double from the previous row. And you're just going to keep doing that till you get your table runner to the length that you, or the width that you want. And when I get mine to the width that I want, I'll come back on and show you what I do next. All right, guys, I am back. A little change of plans. When I ended the last segment, I said that I was working on a table runner. Well, with everything going on in my life right now, my mom's birthday, my grandkids coming, all this stuff, I was not able to complete this as a table runner. So you saw in the video that in the introduction, or this is for the tutorial, but this is actually going to be a headscarf. So this was 60 inches long, and I ended it. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. 7 rows of the wide double crochet, and it measures 2.5 inches wide. So all I did was cut off my ends and made this into a headscarf. Now, if you want this to be shorter, then you can make this as short as you want, but I really like the 2.5 inch width. And if you come back in just a minute, I will show you what it looks like on. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I'm sorry for the confusion, but I was doing it as I went. And like I said, towards the end of trying to get this done, I knew I was not going to get a table runner done in time for this week. So make sure that after you've watched my video, Heather from Strings and Threads, Jules from Jules Crafts, Beth from Melody Crochet Nook, and Sam from Hooks and Needles. I know I'm probably saying that wrong, and I don't know why I've said her channel 100 times. Sorry, Sam, but life with the grandkids got my brain a little crazy. But anyhow, all of their channels will be in my description box below this video. Make sure you watch everybody's video today of their reveal, and then go to our community tabs. They're now called posts. They don't have the word community anymore. It's called posts. But go to our posts, and there will be a survey or a little poll where you can vote for your favorite. Now, YouTube only allows 4 options for a poll, so you will not see mine on my poll. If you want to vote for my project, then you will have to go to one of the other 4 ladies' channels and vote on their poll for mine. Okay, so if you want to vote for my headscarf, you'll have to go to either Heather, Jules, Sam, or Beth's channel and vote for mine there, because I won't be able to include mine on the poll on my channel. So hope that's crystal clear. And then we have decided, because of work schedules and 2 of our people being in Australia, so time differences, we are going to do our final live next week, and that will be on Monday the 24th. Monday. So you only have from today until Monday. So on the 24th of March, make sure I'm on looking at it right. Yeah. On Monday night, the 24th of March at 7 p.m., we will be coming on live right here on Critters Crochet, and we will reveal whose project got the most votes. And then Heather will be drawing someone's name from all that voted to win that project that got the most votes. So come back after you've watched everybody's, cast your vote. And also, when you make your vote, make sure if you want to be included in the drawing, make sure to comment below where you voted, because when you vote we just see numbers, we don't see names of who voted. So you need to leave a comment under the poll so that we know that you voted and we can include your name in the drawing on Monday night. So again, Monday night, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. All right, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you everyone for watching my video today. I hope that you will click that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. And make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos from Critters Crochet. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.